Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are on another cow. You think everything be fair or what? I really think everything be videos. No. But some YouTubers have goals too, like this one right here. It's the creator of the game's it's a, it's a, it's the creator of the game's face that it only fills 500, and I can show you the code to that, but I'll show you the code later. But today we are gonna get the big plow. You know it, the big plow. It's humongous. We're so close to getting it. So yeah, we are gonna use it a lot of times actually, not a little bit, big lot, and it's gonna be epic. It's my first time. And maybe next video I'll try to save up money to get this sleigh. So yeah, just need 3,000 more. Actually, let's see how much it is. I'm gonna say how much we need. And oh my god! And they added more things to that. Oh, of course you can see this right here. This is the best one in the game now. What? Oh, and I can't get this thing anymore. Soft shell. Maybe I have to get that or that. But I'll show you it. But first, it is. Oh, I can buy it. It's just need 3,000. Why am I back here with you? Is that eye patch? Oh, I thought that was an eye patch. Oh, I thought he was holding an eye patch. And if you have seen this channel right here, I'll show you what. This person, he made this game, Snow Suddenly Simulator. And he's like the best one. Comment down below with Jailbreak or Snow Shoveling Simulator is the best. Okay, comment down below. So yeah, and he's like a boss. So yeah, we just need a little bit more, just by doing it. So yeah, we gotta get in here. Get in my car plow, truck plow. This is a truck plow, and that's a big plow, and that's a small plow. Why I can't move? Why can I not move? Is it why I was this is glitched or stuck? It's stuck. Oh, now it's not. Oh, I gotta get enough money. See you until I get enough. I'm just kidding. I won't see you until I get enough money. I will see you in 2 minutes. Well, I'm back with you. I'm done. So if you can only if you have a car, you can only get this snow, any snow, actually. And of course, I forgot that moves on every server. There's not much people move it though. No, they don't move on every server, folks. They get moved by big trucks like the sleigh, the Drano thingy. So I forgot. But sorry if I do this. It's just that I've said this badass name. I try to get enough money to buy the plow. I don't know if I said it right. Oh, gotta go back, gotta go back, gotta go back. I have enough money now. I have enough money now. Before I get there, I'll be having 300,000. Get it! Plotted Boy is the best one in the game right now. I think he wants to buy the whatever the Daner or Droner, Draenor, or Droner. I don't know what I forgot what it's called. So let's get it. It's just me. Can you put the cord? Can you carry this cord? Okay. Actually, never mind. You can use the
It's a big piece of wood. The excavator started. Yeah, yeah. That's what I think about it before.
So, yeah. Okay. Sorry for the noise. I just gotta move.
Imagine.
Oh, it's resuming?
It's in harmony with trees, so it's really cool. We're not even, oh, I guess this is the farm, but this is super amazing.
So, yeah, I'm back. Sorry for the wait. Oh, I
They even use organic fertilizer, not the bad stuff.
It's going on.
They can eat this? What? Really? Use 8 leaves. How many leaves again? Yes, I love eating leaves. Here we go. Alright.
Stop playing that.
I love it. I love eating leaves.
Boy is the best one in this server because he has the most snow. And I don't know why I'm not driving right because I suck at driving. I didn't do my driving lessons. Sorry, drivers. If you drive a car, comment down below. So yeah, I want to learn how to drive too. So I'm gonna count to 3, 2, 0,
Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1, 0. I'm gonna buy it.
Go,
Bayabas.
You can do it. Holy smokes. Really?
It's of course gonna
What a
be
legend.
blue. It's fun. I'm
Wow.
so excited to get to see it. Yeah.
He's getting us the bayabas.
What? Do
See,
you have
what?
that? What?
Yes.
He has it.
Look at that, bayabas.
But for minors.
Bayabas. Check it out. Sharing is caring.
Oh my god.
That's from Abba.
Oh my god.
Are you sure?
Oh my god, this is so good.
Oh, yeah, check this out.
I don't know. I've always been I've been sick before. Promise? Yeah. Super slow. I knew it. See, you could tell by my reactions. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it. Super tappy. Yeah, man. So interesting.
I think that's
What is that?
past 15 minutes.
I'm standing in a campsite area now.
Right, yeah,
Trio.
No, it's override or
So,
spicy.
but at least we got the core installed.
Look at this, she's out in the middle of nowhere. In a little campsite. Watch the view. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
There's peace sign in that tree house.
Look at our tree fort.
Hold up, guys. I'm gonna join another. Okay, guys, we're on a different server. So yeah, let's go. Oh, and he's running on my back. Let's get on the big plow again. That's not the big plow. I bet really fat boy. I think really fat boy has like almost every car in the game or anything.
This is all, the majority of his videos are where we live. The general area where we live, guys.
Does he have a headlight on the front? The front of his second car?
Check this out. Random out of the blue
So
nowhere.
yeah,
Got
this is an epic beast. I like cleaning the road with this. It's like the road.
Right now, I'm sitting in between the Kalatugan and Monkey Tangad mountain ranges in a place called Kibunkai. And what you're about to see is what I consider one of the best cafes here in the
Hey,
Philippines.
let's get the ketchup plates out of the area so they don't get broke and ketchup doesn't get all over the place. Seth, Sophia, watch your grab the plates and take them to the kitchen since you're standing up.
This
Running around.
is so big. Because it is.
Thanks, Doc.
What is your
Thank
favorite
you.
Roblox video?
Can you stop that?
And
What am I doing?
Yeah, what is she
that
doing?
notification button. So you won't miss another.
No, I'm not.
Seth, just straighten up, okay?
So,
Get rid of the attitude. Just leave him alone. She wouldn't say something if you didn't do
so
something.
yeah. Bye.
Yes, you can get wooden spoons here and they're mixed in. This is my Arabica coffee. These are local coffee beans from Kibunkai.
Little bread and jam. That's actually really sweet. Tastes really good.